What's up, guys? So as you can see, I just got my new wheels in the mail. So I just wanted to do an unboxing video. I had to wait for these for a long time. I ordered them, I had to custom order them through a company. I think it was called like 9Rev or something. But they had to be custom built to the specs that I wanted. So let's check them out. These are for my AE86. So I've already opened these up and looked at them a little bit, but so first I'm going to show you the stuff that they came with. So they came with some valve stems. It's got these little tiny bolt-in valve stems that they came with, so I got to get those installed. Four of them, obviously. Here's some paperwork in Japanese. Here are some stickers. So they give you some stickers so you can decide which stickers you want on the wheels. And I also got this really cool sticker, which is really cool. That'll go on the back of my car probably. So here we go, guys. Check this out. Ooh. These are some beautiful wheels, guys. So these are Meister CR01s, and they are 3-piece. You can see they got the bolts all the way around. And what's really cool is how they sealed them. And you can see they've got no valve stems, no stickers on them. So I gotta put those in. Here is one of the center caps. Which I won't be able to run these on the front. I might be able to run them on the back, I'm not sure, but there's the center caps for them. So it's really nice that they come with everything you need. The center caps, the valve stems, the stickers. So these are 4x114. They're 15x8.5 with a 3mm offset. So these are the exact same wheels, exact same specs, color, everything as the Tec Arts car that Keiichi Tsuchiya drives. So you know, I'm going with a very similar look on that car. So I've got like the same color scheme. I'm going with I'm gonna get the hood wrapped soon with dark green carbon fiber wrap on my steel hood. So just to get the look of it. And yeah, it's not gonna be a clone of the car. It's just gonna look really similar. Like I've got a different front bumper, different side skirts. I'm not gonna run like all the stickers and stuff, but I've got my kitty cat helping me look at the wheels. Oof. So that's all that's in this box. Here's the other wheel. Man, these wheels are just beautiful, aren't they? It's like a piece of jewelry for my car. So, that's it for that box. Got another box here. Should have all the same stuff in there, basically. Oh yeah. Alright, so that is it. So I'll have to look around because I'm only seeing, maybe they're in here. the other center caps. Yep, so here's the other center caps. Each box has a center cap and a valve stem in it. So I also got some tires, and here they are, right here. So they are 195, 50, 15. So I don't know, it'll be kind of hard to tell, but you can see they're not as wide as the wheel, so they're going to be stretched. And yeah, it's kind of hard to get all this stuff in the video, but yeah, they're going to be stretched tires. I'm running the exact same tire size that's on the Tec Arts car as well. So I do know that they fit, and I know they look good, and they won't rub or anything, but they are going to be stretched. So a lot of people hate stretched tires. The thing is, if you have stretched tires, you're going to have less sidewall flex and better steering response, which might be why. But also, you know, clearance issues on 8.6s are something to think about. But yeah, here they are, guys. Work Meister CR01s, 15x8.5, 3mm offset, white face. There they are. I'm really excited about these wheels, guys. I cannot wait to get them on my car. So, I may or may not mount these by hand. I don't know. I kind of don't want to get some screwdrivers and stuff around these, but I'm gonna have a hard time. I don't have a truck or anything to move these to my friend's shop, so I don't know. I may or may not mount these by hand. I may take them to my friend's shop and mount them on a machine, but yeah, I can't wait to get these on the car. So that's it for this video, guys. See ya.